Hey everybody, this is Chris Coyier. I'm looking forward to coming to Dayton, Ohio this August to hang out with all y'all in the Sparkbox gang and do this Build Right Maker Series thing. We're gonna have all day together to do a workshop and talk about stuff. I have a plan. It's going to be lots of fun. We're going to kind of build a website, but it's not so much the completed website that's the big deal. We're going to use this journey of building a fairly simple website as an excuse to talk about what it is, what our job is as front-end web designers and developers. So as we move along through the site, there's going to be lots of moments where we stop and think and talk about what it is and what it means to be a front-end web designer and developer. All these little front-end moments that we're like, how are we going to handle this? What are we going to do here? What level of abstraction is appropriate here? You know, there's lots of moments where we're going to stop and have this framework of a website guide us through what it is our jobs these days. It's going to be lots of fun, and I look forward to seeing you there.